Alright, so we are here day 2 guys, fishing at Hooker's Fishing Park. So as you can see, it's ready. I'm holding umbrella and I'm packing my stuff off to my peg to start the fishing day. And yeah, it's raining as usual, not surprised, but at least it'll keep me nice and cool, so we'll see how it goes. I mean, I'll show you guys what fish I'm catching so far, and yeah, we'll get to it. Alright, so we're gonna have a little snack because I haven't had breakfast yet, so pork sausage with egg and baguette. So yeah, and then we'll start the day with fishing and see what we can catch. Alright, so about the conditions, it's pretty humid, so just rain. We just had the second wave of rain, and looks like we're gonna be having much of a gloomy day. Not too much sunshine, which is good because nice and cool. As you can see, everybody's spread out over here. So right here, just got some pork sausages, eggs with a baguette, and some malt vinegar, which gives some a tangy taste, and some HP sauce. So yeah, looks good. Yum hấp, you hấp. It's here guys, so Arapaima is here. First fish of the day. It's an Arapaima, so we can get it in. Here it comes. Alright, awesome. Small fish on a carp rod. Y'all map. Oh, นี่คืออะไรครับ Grammy มีแรงเยอะ has a lot of power. Beautiful Grammy. มันก็ได้โอ้ย
ต่อไปหาพี่แล้วอยู่วะสาวเร็วๆบอลวิ่งสวนเปล่ายอมอยู่ไหมอยู่ยอมมันวิ่งสวนเข้ามาครับมานี้แล้วมาก Wow, it's coming really quick. Trying to get it. You ครับ Oh, this is on a carb rod. I don't want to lose it. ไปนู่นแล้ว
Carb rod, I'm not sure.
นู่นไปนู่นอีกแล้วพี่ต่อน่าจะใหญ่ครับวิ่งซ้ายวิ่งขวาวิ่งไปนู่นวิ่งมานี่
ชาพระยาเหมือนชาพระยา
วิ่งเหมือนเจ้าพระยา
I think ชาพระยา they're quick. It went there quickly and went there and then come here and there. I think it's a big one.
ก็มันวิ่งสวนเข้ามาแล้วก็วิ่งออกเลย
I think it's a Siamese or ชาพระยา probably. กลัวผมหลุดครับ
ใช่ครับแล้วก็วิ่งออกไปนู่น
That was a big wave.
สวนกลับมาอะไรอ่ะ
ชาพระยา I knew it.
หยิบยาวเลย
I saw the fin. It took a long run and then saw some action on the water. Yes. This definitely feels different on carb one. Yeah, not orange or boilie. I think it was from your ones.
One of my ones.
Yeah. สีส้มใช่ไหมครับใช่ orange one. Cranberry? Didn't. Yeah, that's right. Just waiting for it to tire down. I don't want to do anything stupid. Like, I think it's well hooked. Otherwise, it would be off. Oh, awesome. Thank you. It's my first one. ขอบคุณมากครับโต
เดี๋ยวลากมานี้นิดนึงมาลึกๆหน่อย
Alright, so I caught myself my first ever chop hair catfish. Took me around 19 minutes, which is pretty good, pretty happy. So I was really happy I landed it. It was weighing around 55 kilos, so they only go around that much. Usually that's what the estimation was. So we couldn't weigh because the sharp fins might cut the cradle. So it was around 50, 55, so really happy. It's my first one ever. So yeah, looking forward to more fish. Alright, so I'm gonna have some lunch now, guys. So I just ordered some Thai food, kapao mu with egg. So and yeah, so this is my lunch. As you can see, all wrapped up in foil. Alright, it's awesome. So let's start eating and then we'll get back to fishing. Awesome. Nice. 15 kilos maybe. Beautiful Asian red tail we got here.
นี่ครับ
Yeah,
น่าจะโดนกัดมาแน่เลย
yeah, they're fighting. They last couple of minutes. They've just started appearing again. So
Beautiful looking.
than even the Asian red tail.
Oh my god.
It's yeah. You see now that is milk. It's actually milk, which is like that's what they use to fertilise.
Yeah, so seems really calm. Absolutely beautiful. Let's see. As you can see right here.